Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit a open top jeans button with a hand tool like this one. So this is what your hand tool is going to look like. As a smaller piece on this end, and this is one long shaft here. This is going to compress the pin that's going to go through your jeans button. Your open top jeans buttons will look like this. They have a hole in the middle, and your backing pins will look something like this. So when they push through, you should see a pin about in the center of that. So I'm going to do this with a bit of faux leather. This is malleable enough for me to just push this pin through, just like that. So my pin is through the material here. I'll take my button and I'll put that on the top, and I can see the pin in the middle. We'll lay that flat, and I'll take my tool, lay that on top of the pin, and we'll just hammer that down. And then just like that, we have our jeans button all secure with our backing pin on the back.